This is a pro contest, and it's kind of a free 5-minute rounds. It is sponsored by Boxfit.com. And the referee today, Bobby.
So here we go, another pro bout, 3 by 5-minute rounds. Muhammad Ali, Convict MMA in the black shorts. And Scott Stripling of Nemesis MMA in the tight black shorts. Oh, good leg kick there by Stripling. Stripling's coming off a loss to David Jenkinson at Adrenaline FC 5. He got submitted in a guillotine choke. So he'll be looking for a win. Oh, and he's just been put down by Ali. Ali's swarming him now. It's all over. Never thought I'd say this, but the winner is Muhammad Ali.
For the CFC, and your winner after 29 seconds of the opening round by